On March 14, a fire broke out at the official residence of Justice Yashwant Varma, then a Delhi High Court judge. Firefighters made a stunning discovery: sacks of burned currency notes hidden in a storeroom. This sparked a high-profile investigation that has rocked India's judiciary. Let's dive into the committee's findings and what they mean. On March 22nd, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna then formed a three-member in-house committee to probe the allegations. The committee examined photos, videos and statements from fire officials, police and Justice Varma's personal staff. What is their goal? To answer three questions. Where did the cash come from? Who owned it? And why was it there? The committee's report submitted on May 4 was damning. It confirmed that stacks of burned notes, some as high as 1.5 feet tall, were found in a locked storeroom at Justice Varma's residence. Contrary to Varma's claim that the room was unlocked and accessible to all, witnesses including security and fire personnel testified it was under his family's control. Justice Varma denied any knowledge of the cash, alleging a conspiracy to frame him. But the panel found his explanation unconvincing. They noted he failed to report the incident or file a police complaint, and his staff's conduct raised suspicion of evidence tampering. Forensic analysis and visual evidences further solidified the case against him. The committee concluded that the allegations of misconduct were serious enough to warrant impeachment. They found sufficient substance in the evidence, stating Justice Varma's flat denial lacked credibility. In response, the then Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna gave Varma two options: resign or face removal proceedings. On May 8th, the report was forwarded to the President and Prime Minister, signaling potential impeachment in Parliament. Varma has now been transferred to Allahabad High Court without any judicial work, has refused to step down, defying calls for accountability. The case now heads towards a historic showdown. Impeachment requires a two-thirds majority in both houses of Parliament, a rare and complex process. As of June 2025, sources indicate a motion may be tabled in the next monsoon session. The scandal has sparked public outrage and renewed demands for judicial transparency. Critics argue the in-house process, while effective here, remains too opaque. Will Justice Varma resign, or will he face the full weight of Parliament? The Justice Varma case is a trial by fire for India's judiciary. As the nation watches, one question looms large: can the system uphold its own standards of integrity?